Check out this Ram 2019 3500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: bright white clear coat, chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper, chrome grille surround, matte black mesh with chrome grille, bright front bumper, rear wheelhouse liners, LED bed lighting, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, transmission, 6-speed automatic Eisen AS69 RCHD included, 12.0 inches single rear wheel axle urethane shift knob, transmission oil cooler, gross vehicle weight, 14,000 lbs, quick order package 21A Tradesman included, engine 6.7L i6 Cummins HD turbo diesel transmission, 6-speed automatic Eisen AS69 RCHD and tire fill alert. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading.